I've built my dreams with steady hands, counted time like falling sand. Every goal, each mountain high, still left me asking, who am I? I don't need walls of gold to shine. The peace I seek was always mine. I trade control for open skies and find my truth where freedom lies. The world once praised the crown I wore, but I was longing for something more. Now I breathe where stillness grows and lead through love the way it flows. Success means nothing if I'm confined to the weight of goals that blind the mind. So I lay my armor down to rest and learn that balance builds the best. I don't need walls of gold to shine. The peace I seek was always mine. I trade control for open skies and find my truth where freedom lies.